Alright, so here's update number 3, I think. So it's not done, but it's almost towards the final stage. So I'm going to show you guys what I've done since the last update. So I think it's been about a week. So this is what I've done since the last update. So if you guys remember, the hood, you know, it's still the same. Didn't do anything. I did glue the wheels on, and I put the interior and the cab. Well, yeah, let's do this. And so there's the interior. Let's see if it'll pick up. And there's the other side and underneath. And I don't think you guys will be able to see it, but if you guys can tell, I did put a speed limit sign. And so, and if you guys remember in my previous video how this glass looked, but it's pretty let me try to zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see under the light. Let's see how this works. Push this aside. So yeah, the glass was pretty shot, so but it works perfect for the look that we want to do. So it's just a whole bunch of glue. I'll say fingerprints because it looks like whoever was touching it, they put glue, and I even got some glue on it because I was touching it and I was like, oh man. So yeah, it gives it the character and it works the part that, you know, someone's working on it. And I really like the back. The back, it's broken here, there, and up here, and I just grabbed an X-Acto and I just made some extra grooves, just, you know, really make it look the part. So I'll put this aside. The chassis is it's done. You guys have seen it. So finally glue the wheels on. So it's not a rolling chassis, but it's gonna stay put where it's going. And I'm not keeping this truck. This truck is going, I'm giving this truck to my daughter. And I did some magnets here, here, there, here, down here, down here. And the reason why is because she just got her credentials, teaching credentials for 8th grade. So she'll be teaching 8th grade. So I made this into a paper clip holder. So the magnets are gonna keep all the paper clips, and it'll work. So what better way for us to start some of the younger kids into the hobby than to actually see a model kit put together. It's going to be a rusty, not a shiny, but at least they'll start asking questions. Hey, who did that? And you know, a conversation starter, I guess. And then my daughter can just tell them, oh yeah, my dad did it and went to Hobby Lobby, and you know, the whole nine, and then go from there. So hopefully this will be good for some younger generations to start into the hobby. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. Once I put this together, glued everything, I still have to glue the front bumper. And once I put it all together and make sure that whoever touches it, it's not gonna break it, I'll do another update and show you guys how it's gonna sit at the desk if I'm able to go to her school. Alright guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for the likes, shares, and subscribes, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Happy modeling.